Good morning, welcome to
Math Problems number 160.
Math Problems number 160. We reached a review section in our book today. So we were just reviewing decimals a little bit, and now, we're doing some addition and subtraction and putting them in order. And so I just made up this problem as a good review problem. So I'll get a little smudgy here. Okay, go ahead. 22.5 divided by 0.15. This looks like a pretty interesting problem.
Well, in order to do this, you have to multiply by some power of 10 to shift over digits.
Okay.
So, in this case, you have to multiply by 100 to get this out and that out.
All right.
So you get 2,250 divided by 15.
Okay, so this is the same as I multiplied this by 100 to get that, and that by 100 to get 15, and now we're just doing integer division.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we can put it in long division. So. And then 15. On the
Okay. So we have 2,250 divided by 15.
And now 15 goes into 22 one time. That's 15. And then, so the 7. And then you bring the digit down. 75.
Ooh, how many times is 15 going to 75?
Well, you know 15 times 4 is 60. And 15 times 4 is 60, and then you add on one more 15 is 75.
Oh, okay. Great.
So then you put the 5 and 0, and then you have one more digit to bring down, so 0 goes into 15 no time. 15 goes into 0 no times.
Right, 15 goes into 0 no times, and we get the answer of
150.
Oh, how interesting. All right, so 22.5 divided by 0.15 we found was equal to 150 by doing long division.
Cool.
Now we're going to do it by converting 0.15 to a fraction. Okay, so I'm going to erase your long division, which you did a great job on. So what is 0.15?
Well, 0.15, you have...
As a fraction, I mean.
You have 110 and 5 100ths.
Okay.
110 is equal to 10 100ths, so 15 over 100.
All right, this is 15 over 100. I like that.
And then you have to simplify.
Okay.
So you can take a 5 out of that.
All right.
So 3 over 20.
3 over 20. Oops. Sorry. I wrote 3 over 10. 3 over 20. So how do we do 22.5 divided by 3/20ths?
I think we have to convert this. Maybe we can flip it upside down.
Okay.
And multiply.
All right, let's flip it upside down and multiply. Do you remember why you flip fractions upside down?
Because you're multiplying by the reciprocal.
Okay, very good. So this is 22.5
divided
times what?
Multiplied by 20/3.
20/3. Okay.
So now, on the top, you get 20 times 20. Well, you could do 2 times 2, so then that could be, you could do 2 times 2 and then add 2 zeros onto it.
Tell you what, why don't we multiply by 10 first? Because 20 is just 10 times 2.
Yeah.
What is this times 10?
It's 225.
And then we just have to multiply by 2. What's 225 times 2?
Is 450.
Very good. So just multiply by 10, then by 2. So this is the same as 450 over 3. And let's see if we can figure out what that is.
450 over 3, well, the digits add up, so you know it's going to be no remainder, so...
Yeah, 450 over 3.
So you could put 1 and then 3, 1 and then you put a 5 and then 5, 15, 0, 0, 0, and then you get 150, just like we got up there.
Yeah.
Whee!
It's kind of neat that these two different ways seem totally different. Both produce the same answer. Now, is that good that they both produce the same answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise.
Yeah, we made a mistake.
Well, yeah, or if we didn't make a mistake and they produced different answers, then math would produce different answers depending on what you did, which would be wacky. Good job, sweetie. Good job with your decimal review. That was nice work this morning.